Assalamualaikum guys, I'm Muhammad and welcome to another programming video with or should I say the finale of the Scratch summer camp. So I was in a break for a long time. I'm sorry for a long time. Actually, I'm using another account and it was like I forgot the password of this account. So I am remixing it. So I'm remixing this project and it's gonna be my project now. So let me remix it. This is my other account, so I'm gonna remix it over here. Now it's remixed. So now what I'm gonna do is today we want to make a pause menu for this. Let's start. Before that, I want to change the names of these. Sprite 1 is this, so it will be plus brightness. Sprite 2 is that, so it's gonna be minus brightness. Sprite 3 is gonna be plus volume, and Sprite 4 is gonna be negative volume. Sprite 5 and Sprite 6, as you all can see, plus pixelate and minus pixelate. Minus pixelate. So that's done. Now let's start, because today I want to create a pause menu over here. So when we click this pause menu, that everything will stop and then it will go to menu, and then we will continue from the same where it stopped. So now let's start. Let's go to teacher code. We need to create a new button. For this we have to create a new sprite. So let's choose a sprite and let's choose this button this time, and let's do this, and let's decrease the size. Let's edit it in like this. Let's bring it in inner, and the same thing I will do for over here, and bring it inside a little bit. Now it's looking much better, and now it can go over here. So before that, now I'm going to delete this costume. Now I'm going to choose a black. So let's make another gradient as well. Let's make it red. Let's make this. So now I will make two squares between it. Let's select this, copy and paste over here. So as you can see, I created the menu over here. Let's just decrease it a little bit. Let me check the size. It's a little, yes, this much size is enough. So this is gonna be the pause menu. So now let's go on the teacher, and when the sprite is clicked and when flag is clicked, let's show it only when the backdrop which backdrop will it be? Let me see. Backdrop will be number 2. The number 3 is menu, number 1 is title page, number 2 is the where the questions will be asked. So if backdrop number is gonna be 2, let me just select backdrop number 2. Background number 2, then show, otherwise hide. And there's a quick announcement. Before going any further, there's a quick announcement. I will be face revealing in my next video. Before my next video, I will be face revealing in the shorts or like that. I will gonna be face revealing. So please be ready to watch my watch my face reveal. So now when the sprite is clicked, I'm gonna broadcast pause. I'm gonna broadcast pause. So let's go on teacher, and when I receive pause, then what I want to do, then actually I want to repeat until, this is the first time we are using repeat until we we have not used repeat until till now in our quiz game. So now today we are using repeat until. Repeat until backdrop. Repeat until backdrop is backdrop is I will join it over here because I need to join it here. I need to join it here. Here the script is the game. So let's think what can we do. Repeat until repeat. Now what can we can do is that repeat until like backdrop is. So for the pause menu, let's first create a backdrop. Then this is the pause menu. So let's make a gradient. We cannot. There is this. So now let's make a pause menu. Let's write pause menu. Let's delete it because I need to write it in pixel. Everything should be in pixel because it's a game. Pause menu. Now I'm gonna create this, duplicate this button, and I'm gonna show it over here. And play button and not exit menu. Play is gonna be, I'm gonna change a little bit in the play code. If background number is equal to 4, then switch back to the round and broadcast. I'm gonna bring broadcast new message that I don't need to broadcast anything this time. So let's delete the broadcast, and in the menu let's switch back to and back number 4, then it will be showing only. So let me like start this and menu, and over here I did not code right now, so I'm going to backdrops, and over here this is the pause menu. We are gonna only create the pause menu in this session. So now this menu button and this is gonna be shown only in over here. So now let's make this show, and let's make this show. Let's make the teacher hide, and let's go here. So the menu button will be here. Let's go back, and let's go back to backdrop number 4, and now let's continue. This is the pause menu. So like this is gonna play here, and the menu is gonna be over here. Plain menu. It's like if you click this, it's doing. But the play button is over here, so I need this play button. This play button and this play button. Let's create a separate because it's gonna be duplicated, so we will not get anything. It's gonna be only be showing. Wait second, please. I need to do this and do this and do this because this is the separate one. Nice. And I'm gonna move this right over here back. So I need to create 2 additional sprites because like it will give me, like as you can see everyone, that it will give me an error. It's not giving me error, but it's gonna be pause play. So it will give me error because it's like doing buttons. There are 2 buttons that I duplicated them. Pause menu. The reason I'm writing pause behind menu and play because it's gonna be in the pause menu. So let's code over here. Let's just bring this code from here. Let me, whenever I say if backdrop number is gonna be 4, because we have it already in the title page, we don't need it. Backdrop number 4, then if backdrop number is gonna be 4, then it's gonna show they both head. So now let's show them, and now let's show this. Go to costumes, write play, continue game, continue. There will be no option for the starting, so I'm already telling you all. The color, let's change the color to black. And let's over here menu. Now this will be shown over here. Now let's do the code. So when this sprite is clicked, first let me set it up, then I will do the code, because it's like very hectic that it switches backdrops once again and again. Go to teacher and let's just hide it. And now this is continue gonna be above and menu is gonna be below, like this. And I'm gonna also make an exit one. So there's gonna be one more button, that will be exit game, so that it switches the backdrop to title, like this over here. So now I also want to hide score. So now let's first of all let's do this, then we will later on think about hiding the score. Exit game. Now it's good. Now let's go to the pause play button and I'll start. When the sprite is clicked, then I need to broadcast the pause like thing. Let's go on the teacher and let's say when I receive pause, not this, when this button is clicked, then I will broadcast. Sorry. When this sprite clicked, switch backdrop to the Doom 1. On the button rebroadcast pause, and I didn't complete this. Let me complete this. Repeat until a backdrop number is equal to, let me check what is gonna be the backdrop number. Repeat until backdrop number is equal to the backdrop number is equal to 4. So let's go over to my teacher, and backdrop number is equal to 4. The peanut backdrop is going to 4. Stop other scripts in sprite. So other script in sprite will be stopped. So it will be skipped, hidden over here. So when I say pause, that's it. When I stop all, then this will be stopped and we have to redo it. And again we have to redo it when it's continued. So now pause play, switch back to zoom 1 and pause menu. When the sprite is clicked, switch backdrop to menu, switch backdrop to menu, and when this sprite, and let me just bring this over here. Now it's over here. Now when the sprite is clicked, this will be switch backdrop to title page, because this is the exiting. That's it. This is how you create a pause menu. Now let's test our pause menu. Let's test and switch backdrop to a pause menu as well. So yes, so switch backdrop. If backdrop number is equal to 4, then stop. Alright, now let's start our thing. This is gonna be showing only, so this is showing right now. This is blurring. When backdrop number is equal to 4, then show, then otherwise it's gonna hide. Is this backdrop number 4? No, this is backdrop number 1, this is backdrop number 4. Then this should show at least. I need to show it when it's gonna be backdrop number 4. If backdrop number is equal to 4, let's change backdrop number is equal to pause menu. The backdrop number 4 is pause menu, yes. Let's change in everything that if backdrop name is equal to pause menu. Let's try something different this time. If backdrop name, I just wrote by yes, pause menu. Only the continue button was not showing because it was in 4. I just switched this to pause menu. Now let's start our game. And I also need to hide score, I forgot. So if backdrop, I just need to do it on 1. hide variable score because it's pause menu, and show variable score. So now let's do it. Now let's test our game. So now it's starting. Now let's play. So let's check the pause menu. It's the pause menu. Let's go to menu, exit menu. It's gonna switch to play as well. So it's gonna ask us questions. Still it's gonna ask us questions. So because we exited it, so when let's continue this, and we will keep asking this. We'll keep asking this. What is 2 times 3? This is 51. It's 51. So it's correct. You buy me to eat, but you don't eat me. What am I? I'm up late. I know it because it's a long time creating and I'm forgetting, but I don't forget the answers. So the whole point of this game was to create a pause menu today. So this is how to create a pause menu, and thank you everyone who supported me, and I'm getting a lot of views. Thank you everyone for the support, uh, and I don't know what to say now. I'm very surprised everyone of your like cooperation with me. It was really good. Thank you guys, and I'm a soft reminder once again that I'm gonna be face revealing before my next video. So thank, and make sure to see it. Thank you guys, and bye bye. And in the next video we'll be testing different projects. Thank you guys. Bye bye.